Okay, hey y'all. I know I look a mess. I'm sorry. It's Saturday. I was really intending on making this like just a cutesy little overhead silent music in the background kind of video, but I wanted to come on here and say that I followed this recipe right here, applesauce meatloaf. Miss Stillman from Lincoln, Nebraska, to the T. It says bake at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. I need to know if this woman is in jail for trying to kill her family, because look at this. It's raw in the middle. Insert Gordon Ramsay saying it's raw. It's still moving. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring this over. And to kind of go along with this meatloaf, I just kind of whipped up some mashed potatoes really quickly. And we're just gonna go for this piece right here. Okay, so here's a close-up of my plates. And I already know what the mashed potatoes taste like. We're really more interested in this meatloaf. So, might need to put the plate down and do a little hand kind of thing. My dog is begging. It's bland. It's bland. As y'all saw in the recipe, the only seasoning that it called for was salt and pepper to taste. So the only thing that this meatloaf has going for it is the 1 tablespoon of minced onion, some salt, some pepper, and some applesauce. And the ketchup topping, and the ketchup glaze on top. I'm not a fan. I am not a fan. But food is expensive with inflation, so we're gonna eat this. The leftovers of it. I think I would like to try recreating it with a little bit more seasoning. But yeah, not. If I were to rate this 1 out of 5 stars, I'd give it a 1 star. Probably even like no stars, just because the sheer fact that if you follow the recipe to the T, no longer cooking time, no nothing, this meatloaf would probably actually try and kill you. Well, anyways, you guys, I'm gonna finish the rest of this as my lunch, and I guess I will catch you in the next cooking through the books episode. Hopefully the next recipe won't try and kill me or the other members of my household. Until then, be safe, be kind, and I'll catch you next time. Kind of rhymed.